For today's video, we'll be looking at the piecewise function graph. So, on the piecewise function graph, this is the type of the graph that has 2 or 3 functions or graphs. So, if you look at the first question here, how many functions that we are having here? We have the first function, which is x squared, and the other function is a radical, but it's negative outside. So, in here, if you've been given a function that is like this, what do? First of all, you draw your Cartesian product like that. And the second thing that you need to understand is you look at the basic function graph of x squared, which is this part here. What's the basic function graph of that? So the basic function graph of this, it moves like this. And remember that it's a positive. So meaning that that's how it goes like that. But what you are having here, so if you see what you're having here, right, you observe that x is less than 0. So between this side and this side, which part is x less than 0? So the part which x is less than 0, it is this side here. So the side which is x less than 0, you draw the solid line that moves like that. That's a solid line here that I've drawn here that goes like that. Okay, now at this point where it is starting, so if you check out here, they didn't say including 0. So since they didn't say including 0, meaning that what you do in here is you will draw something that is what? Like you put something here to show that it's not what? Including what? 0. So you write like this, short. Okay. Now, how about the other one? The other one, you have a negative here, square root. Since you have the negative, that is square root. Now, the real graph of this one, it is supposed to move like this. That's a real graph, right? But now it's negative. What will happen? It will be deflected this side. To move like that, right? So now the solid graph, it will be down. So the solid graph, it will be down this side, goes like that, because this is again the side which is in x greater than what? 0. So here x 0 is what? Included. So you put 0 included like that. That's what you do on that type of the graph. And the other type of the graph that you have is this one. What is the first thing? Here saying x negative, short, negative x here, right? Since they have said negative x, what does this represent? It represents that it's a graph that is decreasing like that, right? Now, after it has reached at the point which is 1, so maybe I can say this is the point which is 1 here, right? And this one, is it included? Not included. So this is how the graph will move. To move like that, right? Okay. And the other type of the graph that you need to understand is this one here. This is x cubed. So this x cubed, we have plus here, meaning that the graph has shifted in the y-axis at what point exactly? At 1 here, right? So it is at what point exact? This is the point at 1 here, right? So in short, my graph, it will come from this side, then it will pass through here, then like this. That's how it will pass, right? But there are rules. What are the rules? Which are here. Say x is greater than 1 or equal to 1. So where is 1 meeting? It's here. And they're saying it's included. So meaning that you put a full dot like that. then there you draw a graph that moves like that. That's a solid line, which is like that. So that's how you draw this type of the graph, simple and straightforward.